Let me fix this a little bit. Yeah, what's going on? It's nice and warm today. It's a little bit different to normal, so my thoughts are myself and Em are gonna go out and take some photos. Basically just going through my normal process. I don't wanna kind of title this video, I don't wanna put anything on it. It's just me trying to better myself and figure out different ways, maybe not even different ways, maybe just the norm, but just go through the normal process and what I would think in my mind to take some nice photos. So yeah, whilst it's nice and warm, sun goes down in about 2 hours, so we'll have some time to just relax, get used to the scene, and just see what we can get. When we get bored, when we feel like it, we'll go home. So there's no pressure. Shooting the way that it should be. I feel like a lot of the time, there's a lot of rushing, there's a lot of deadlines, or there's a goal in mind, maybe because I want to make a video for you guys and stuff like that and teach more. But I feel like if I relax, I'm a little bit more myself. Not only will my videos come out better, but you guys will be able to take it more, if that makes any sense, because you're seeing what I really do. So yeah, let me know how I do, let me know how you like these videos, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, here we go. We're off, we're out. This stupid ND filter. I didn't know it was this bad. Remind me to get rid of it. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, is that you, Em? Boy, if you know. No, it's the cart, we've been there already. We went back for the shot. Hey, we just wanted to get some visuals. I don't know how you guys keep up with all this B-roll. Oh shit. Okay, so we are on location. I think my metering is a little bit messed up because, yeah, I'm looking really dark. Doesn't matter. It seems like the sun isn't quite down yet. It's still very much high in the sky, so we're just gonna chill out, get set, and just, yeah, take a few test shots. And I know Em already wants to go. She's already walking around like some little weirdo. Where is she? But yeah, nice big empty car park to ourselves. It's nice. It's nice. Find you a location like this and go out and have fun. Shit. Okay, so let's talk about gear. On screen you can see that I'm setting up my stands. Just below I'm adding like a metal stone looking weight. I've learned my lesson from the last time. This just makes sure that it doesn't tip over and it's not top heavy. A little tip for you guys, if you are ever mounting any kind of softbox to stands, make sure that the softbox is facing one of the legs. That stops it from tilting so often. I attach the speed light holder to the top, and I'm using a 95cm Photar softbox. I feel like 95cm is about the right size for this type of thing. If you want to get the whole or the majority of the body lit, then generally speaking that does the job. If you go any smaller, then you may be limited to 3/4, half, or headshots. The A7RIV is easily attached. You just screw it into this little adapter inside the Photar. I don't really know what to call it. Is that how you say it? Photar? I've got a double diffusion in there just so that the light is a little bit softer. A smaller and more direct light source, for example, if I use the AD200 by itself, will create really like harsh light across the face. So the reason why I'm using the softbox is just to spread the light out. And then because it's got two diffusions or diffusion points in between, it just makes the light a little bit softer. That way it kind of wraps around the face instead of a harsh, deep shadowed light across Emily. Getting set up for my scene, how I generally do so is by exposing for the sun. Now, the sun was really deceiving today. I don't think I've experienced harsh sun like this in a very long time. Whether or not that's just because I generally shoot on the ground where there are buildings and things taking away the light, and being on a rooftop, you've just got that direct access to it. I'm not too sure. My point is that I upped my shutter all the way up to 4,000 or so, 8,000 at some points, and then I had to put it back down. This is the first time that I feel like I've battled with my A7RIV against the sunlight. What I mean by that is because I'm upping the shutter speed to make the sun and the sunlight and the sunset more visible, my A7RIV has to put out more power to illuminate M's face. I did the best that I could, I found the sweet spot, and here are some of the photos. Something that I'm going to try and incorporate in a lot more of my shooting is adding in props. Not necessarily essential, but I just feel like that will take me to the next step in my photography career. Finding out more about the person, seeing what matches their personality. Em loves the sport of football. Unfortunately today, she didn't have her football with her, so there's no content with that. However, she is a very colourful person. She is a very creative person, so we scrounged the house before we left, picked up the umbrella, and I feel like some of these shots just worked, you know? It just gives the photo a different dynamic, and everyone loves to see different colours. So this is the first time that I've ever shot in a car park and a rooftop, so it was nice to experience it for the first time, especially in golden hour. I'm not very natural when it comes to modelling, but it was nice to kind of reverse roles a little bit and try different things out. Em had the pleasure of taking photos of myself, and she did a really good job. At the end of the day, she came home and used the PC and edited up her own photos of myself. Unfortunately, we had some troubles with the lighting setup. If you subscribed and you've seen my older video with what's in my camera bag, you'd have seen how my light setup was acting up. I'm sure that my transmitter has some sort of issue now. So I've changed the batteries again. Hopefully on the next shoot we won't be having all of these problems. If not, then I'll have to contact Godox. When in a new location, always move around. Myself and Em took this opportunity to not think, oh, we have to get a certain select of shots, but only to go there to explore so that the next time we come down, we know exactly what we're gonna look for. I think my personal favorite shot of the day was when she raised her shoulders and she was looking back. I think that's something that we can plan ahead for the next time if we're at another location. Then these are small poses that we can kind of lock onto and build up on. Within no time, we were losing all of our light. Getting closer and closer to blue hour, we decided to call it a day, but be prepared to see a lot more content from this location. We haven't even tapped into the lower floors and just using a car park. They've got some nice fluorescent looking lights on the lower floors, which I can definitely use in the future. If you like what you've seen today, then please hit the subscribe button. If there's anything that I have in my setup that you would like me to elaborate on to potentially help you with your buying decisions of the future, then just leave something down in the comments and I'll get back to you on that. Goes without saying though, if you've made it this far, hit the blue like button. That lets me know that I'm doing the right thing and also helps me grow on this platform so I can keep making more videos like this. I'll see you on the next post next week. Peace.